Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you should have with you class 2 English textbook, workbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from unit 4. Looking after your bike. And our today's topic is present continuous tense. SLO of this lesson are learn about present continuous tense and write few sentences to describe a picture and a series of pictures. Page number 24 of your textbook, we have a grammar section here about the present continuous tense. We are going to learn about it, how we will change the sentence into present continuous tense. Present continuous कौन सी सिचुएशन की तरफ इशारा करता है? प्रेजेंट की तरफ. जब प्रेजेंटली आपका कोई काम हो रहा हो, कंटिन्यू हो, जारी हो, जैसे कि टॉकिंग, वॉकिंग, कोई भी एक्शन जो कंटिन्यू हो रहा हो, उसको हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस कहेंगे और इसमें हमेशा वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ आईएनजी आएगा. स्लीपिंग, लुकिंग, ईटिंग. It indicates that something is going on, the action is going on right now in the present situation. So look here, there's some sentences here. Complete these sentences in the present continuous tense. We have given the verb first form here in the brackets: drink, drive, play, make, work. We have to change it in present continuous tense by adding ing to it. The first one here, my brother is drive the car. मेरा भाई गाड़ी चला रहा है. So we have the drive here, the verb first form. So what we will do? Yes, we will change it in present continuous tense, driving. What we have did? We have removed that e from the drive and add ing, driving. The action is still going on. My brother is still driving the car here. The B, the cat is, yes, drinking. C, Ahmad is, yes, playing in the ground. Ahmad ग्राउंड में खेल रहा है. D, making. The make here, we will remove the e from it and add ing to it. I am making soup for my mother. मैं अपनी मदर के लिए सूप बना रहा हूँ. E, the boys are what? Yes, working. Boys काम कर रहे हैं. This is your class task from workbook, page number 19. We have a listening and writing section here. Father is requested to tell the child what is happening in the pictures. Help her to write the continuous form of verb to describe the actions happening in the pictures. Adding ing with the first form of verb. जिस तरह हमने प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस के सेंटेंसेस बनाए अभी वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ing लगा के, इसी तरह हमने सारी पिक्चर्स को देख के बताना है कि कौन सी पिक्चर में कौन सा काम कंटिन्यू हो, कौन सा काम हो रहा है. जैसे कि फर्स्ट वन, द कैट इज ड्रिंकिंग मिल्क. बिल्ली क्या है? दूध पी रही है. ड्रिंक is a verb and we have added ing form to it, so it's drinking. The action is still going on. The second one is, you can see the girl is having a sandwich in her hands and she's eating. Yes, the girl is eating. लड़की sandwich खा रही है. Eat is a verb and we have added ing to it to make it present continuous tense. The children are what? We have a park here and they are playing here. Play is a verb and we have added ing to it. So the boy is here. What is he doing here? क्या कर रहा है ये लड़का? Yes, he's watching the TV. The boy is watching TV. लड़का TV देख रहा है. Watch is a verb and we have added ing to it. This one, Hadia is what? What she is doing? Yes, she is drinking water here. You can see she has a glass in her hands and she is drinking it. The water. Drink is a verb and we have added ing to it. Drinking. Students are what? No, they're not playing. They're having books in her hands and they're sitting, they're discussing something. So, the students are what? Yes, studying. So, all the verbs are here, is in the process, is in the continuation. सारे काम क्या हैं इस वक्त हो रहे हैं. तो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस में हम हमेशा वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ing का एडिशन करके इसको प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस बना देंगे, जो कि इशारा करता है कि कोई भी काम इस वक्त प्रोसेस में है, हो रहा है प्रेजेंटली. This is your homework from summer back. What you need to do? You have to write a few sentences to describe the picture. Tell from which asylum this question has been taken. You have to describe the picture by writing few sentences here. What this person is doing and what this boy is doing. And the picture 2 at 3, 2, you have to tell what this person, what this boy is doing and this one is doing, how he's feeling. You can write about 3 lines. And this is your homework from textbook. You have to find the ing form of verb here, which we have discussed. The verb which is having the ing form, you have to underline it from this paragraph, from this page here. This page is from unit 4. You have to just read it and underline the verb form which is having ing form. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.